you can see that the cup in this, that it's pointed the right direction. So we're going to install the driver's side first and then the passenger side. We'll use the ball clamp at this end and we'll tighten it down just snug for now. And we'll install the hanger with the 13mm, and then we can use the clamps at the other end to connect it to the muffler. But we're going to install both of these pipes first. I'll show you that. Okay, so the driver's side and passenger side pipes to the muffler are on with these ball joint connections right here. These are a little bit, they can be a challenge, let's put it that way. So what I found here, especially here on the driver's side, I found most successfully is that I had the clamp on as loose as it possibly could be, but still have the bolt into the nut here on the mid-pipe side. This is the exhaust side, this is the motor mid-pipe side. So then I slid this pipe up and I pulled this over onto the connector pipe to the muffler. And I found, especially here on the passenger side, it was much easier to do it that way, and it slid right on okay. The driver's side gave me a little bit of trouble to get it to fit in. We got it worked out, but it took a little bit of trouble to get on. And the same trick likely would have been better. I kind of learned the trick as I went, and it likely would have been better here on the driver's side if I'd learned that trick first. So I had it here on the mid-pipe side, slid it over because I held this up, because the pipe that goes to the muffler has a flange on it that goes around this mid-pipe. So it goes around, and then this ball clamp goes over the top of both of them.